Hi, everybody. Chris Lawhead here with Excel Financial Group. One of my favorite things to do as a mortgage broker is to help people transition from renters to owners and to yield all those benefits, whether it's tax benefits or building equity in a property, or the most obvious one is lowering your monthly bills. It's actually cheaper to own than it is to rent. And let me prove that to you with some math here. So check this out. This is a quick total cost analysis of a real property that's for sale right now. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome in Aurora. And I come over here to Rentometer, and Rentometer is showing that this property rents for on average, $2,049 a month. So let's just call it $2,000 a month to rent this property. And let's compare that to owning this property. So I'm going to throw $25 worth of renter's insurance every month in there. So the total payment to rent this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath is $2,025 a month. To own it is $1,781 a month. It's actually cheaper to own it. Let me break this down for you. I chose an FHA loan with 3.5% down. So the down payment would be $8,697. And we have an interest rate of 3.25. Now, what I did is I estimated taxes at $150 a month. I estimated insurance at $100 a month. And I looked up the HOA fee, and that was $320 a month. So if you add principal plus interest plus taxes plus insurance plus HOA, you're going to come to about $1,781 a month in total payments to own this property versus renting it. You're going to pay $2,000 a month. So so not even considering any tax write-offs of mortgage interest or building equity in your home or all those, putting a nail wherever you want in the wall, forget all those benefits. Just from a monthly payment basis, it looks better to own than rent. Now, yes, you do have to save up in this scenario, $8,697. There are options where there are zero down payment options. VA loans are famous for, no down payment. There's CHAC loans, there's chapel loans, there's different options. But I just wanted to start with just a straight up FHA loan, 3.5% down with mortgage insurance, with HOA, with, okay? So, and by the way, that estimate does have the mortgage insurance because you will pay mortgage insurance with this scenario. But I added them all up together, and again, it's cheaper to own than it is to rent. Now I can show you all sorts of cool numbers and all the kind of math in the mathematical benefits of owning versus renting. But the big one I like to look at is net worth in 15 years. You're much more likely to be richer if you own your property than if you're renting your property. If you're renting, all that rent is going to your landlord to pay you're paying somebody's mortgage, whether you like it or not. You're either paying your landlord's mortgage or you're paying your mortgage. So check out the net worth in equity after 15 years. Look at that big, beautiful number. That is assuming 5% value increase of your property every year. And that's a real number. I think that number comes from a stat. They started documenting that in 1972. So 1972 to now, that the average is 5% a year. That's a much bigger number of equity in a property than that zero number right there. So anyway, not only net worth, not only tax write-offs, not only the freedom of owning your house, but the big one I'm showing here is just the monthly payment, $2,025 versus $1,781. I hope that helps. If anybody wants a more in-depth analysis of this, or you want to talk about getting into your first home, please reach out. If you're in Colorado, reach out to me. Okay. Hope you're all well. Take care. Bye-bye.